What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another quick repair on our 2013 Mini Cooper S. On our last video, I don't know if you guys checked it out, we were doing the common maintenance items and we noticed a little issue with our intake pipe, so check it out. All right, when we were doing our air filter, we noticed that this pipe is completely busted off. So we're gonna swap it out real quick so you don't have any intake leak. This is, will affect your boost pressure and stuff. So let's swap this pipe out. All right, so just a quick 7mm for the clamps. You have one here and one up here by the air box. Okay, and then you simply just get a hook tool, just lift this up and you can just pull it back a little bit and then it comes off. And then the sensor comes out as well, the same. And then you have another one right here. We're gonna do the same thing. Pull the clip up and the sensor and the hose comes off together. Okay, this one's already broken, so that's easy. And then this one will come straight off of the air box. All right, and you fish it out underneath there. Take your hose clamp off the top, and then of course we have our hose clamp here, and then all of the broken bits. Make sure and get that off on the turbo inlet side. Okay, all right, so perfect. Okay, so we have our new piece from BMW Mini. No, it doesn't look like anyone makes an aftermarket one, so you have to buy this from the dealer. We buy everything from FCP Euro. That way you have a lifetime guarantee. And so it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so these are like about 130 bucks with that lifetime guarantee. Okay, so I just got those hose clamps back into position, and then we just do a quick comparison. Old part, new part, everything is identical, same part numbers. So we're ready to throw it back on. You simply feed it back under this wire. Make sure you don't have, like I had a little piece there, just make sure everything, nothing goes inside the turbo inlet. We wouldn't want that. And then I'm gonna get it started on the turbo side first, and then we'll come up here to the intake side, air box, and get it in position. And simply tighten up the hose clamps. Okay, this one, I want to make sure we're on all the way. All right, so, and these are just going to be plug and play. You're going to just line up both the sensor and the clip, and it just pushes on. Same thing with this one, and just pushes on. All right, so now we got a new quote-unquote charge tube, intake tube, and the funny thing is we weren't even getting a check engine light with that off, so it's kind of interesting. I thought we'd get some lean code or something, but you'll just notice that you'll have a rough idle and things, it'll be a little shaky, but you'll have that cool blow-off sound on the turbo, so you know something's definitely not connected. So really quick, easy repair on your Mini Cooper S.